Pag may nangyayaring hindi maganda sa iyong buhay, pwede mong yun i-celebrate. Palakihin mo siya. Hindi maganda ang buhay ko, kawawa naman ako, api ako, wala akong talent, mahirap ako. Sige, paulit-ulitin mo at di kanyan iiwan. To change the situation, you've got to change your thought about it first. Be changed by the renewing of your mind. It's all in the mind. It's all in the thought. Kaya pag nakokontrol mo yung direksyon ng iyong utak, uy, teka, nagne-negative ka utak ka, ayoko niyan, ipapositive ko to. Uy, nagiging afraid ka, gagawin ko, faith, ang kapalit, mananalig ako. Decision yan. So kind words are like honey. You know, unkind words are like acid. Pag ang bibig mo, lagi ang laman unkind words, parang lalagyan niya na may lamang asido. It destroys its own container. So prepare to be blessed by thinking positive, by being positive. It is a choice.